Hi ladies, this is Lori and I will never diet again. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm in here messing around trying to make something quick because I'm hungry and I'm realizing I'm making a new recipe that I've never made before. It's a recipe by the Esselstyns. So this is Essie and Jane's favorite salad dressing, but I need some hummus and I don't have any. So the first step is for me to make some hummus, which I happen to have black beans. They use garbanzo beans, and we're gonna mix this together. I'm gonna show you how I prepare it and what it tastes like. Well, I'll tell you if it's any good. I'm sure it will be good. So we're gonna put in the blend tech. It says 15 ounces of beans. I'm guessing that's not quite enough, but it'll have to do. 2 garlic cloves. It says 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Here we go. I'll go ahead and use 1 whole lemon. Then it says to add 1.5 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. This is my favorite Dijon mustard. It will have to do. Then black pepper and a little salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. They said is optional. They don't use it, but so some pepper. Wow, that's good. Might be better done in a food processor, but wow, is it good? That's delicious. Yeah, it did not get all mixed. Definitely need to use a food processor. So yummy. This was built to last, but this wasn't. Nice. That is the best hummus I have tasted in a long time, and it's fat-free, oil-free. It's wonderful. I can't believe it. Why did I wait so long to try? That's delicious. This will be a favorite of mine. Wow. How can we make it look better? Yummy. The recipe to this salad dressing is not included in this video as I didn't care for it too much, so I won't be reusing it. But I did include the clips of what I thought of it. My reaction to me was hilarious. So enjoy a laugh on me. I have missed hummus so much, and I didn't use it because of the oil. Now I need this hummus to make Anne and Essie's favorite salad dressing. So it's their favorite dressing, and here I go. This recipe is from the How to Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook. I like the recipes in these cookbooks because I can find most of the items that they're asking me to use, or I can make them myself. You're gonna know my first impression. Tastes good. Tastes sour. Oops. I don't know that this one's my favorite. The orange still tasted good. The orange still tasted good. Wow. Wow, that's their favorite? You know what happens sometimes? Wow. It's definitely not mine. I like Jane's I like Jane's 3-2-1 better. I attempted to make one salad dressing that wasn't exactly my favorite, so I'm gonna start over again with my favorite right now, which is the 3-2-1 dressing. And since some of you haven't seen me make it, if I can ever figure out how to repost or tag on, you know, videos, link them on, I'll do that. But in the meantime, I've modified the 3-2-1 dressing, so it's not really the 3-2-1 dressing anymore. It's the 3-1-1 dressing. So I will show you how I do that, and I'm doing that to lower the fat intake because I noticed that this Dijon mustard has quite a bit of fat. I don't have my glasses on, but it says only 1%. But when you look at the back, it says there's 11 grams of fat. 11 grams that's a lot. So anyway, so that's why I kind of cut it back. We use 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And it might be that it's just that this balsamic vinegar from Costco, Kirkland brand, tastes so good. We use 1 tablespoon then of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. And this is my favorite salad dressing. It's so good I could drink it, but I won't. Now off to make my salad. I've been editing all day and so I'm just hungry and I want something fast. I'm just gonna make some potato wedges and have a nice green salad and have my oatmeal in the evening before 6 o'clock. That's what I want to eat today. Preheat the oven for 425 or 400 if you're at sea level and bake for 30 minutes. And don't forget seeds 1, meaning for the first 2 weeks of the month, for seed cycling and hormone balancing are ground flax and ground pumpkin seeds, and I use 2 tablespoons a day, 1 in my salad and also 1 in my cereal. I'm going to break off about a teaspoon of chipotle sauce that I keep frozen. It's made with cashews. I'll break it up and add ketchup. I finished my day with oatmeal, and now I have a recipe bonus to share with you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Let's make a quick salad dressing. I'm using the seed cycling. This is flax and pumpkin because we're in the first week of the month. A 1/4 cup of lemon or lime juice. You could even use orange juice. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And a teaspoon of liquid aminos. A teaspoon of coconut liquid aminos. Now you can use a tablespoon of another nut. This will pleasantly surprise you. It's a very nice flavor. Oh, Mouth-watering good. This salad dressing makes me want to eat salad. It is so good. Top that on there. You can use less if you would like. I love it. Delicious. Enjoy. I topped my salad off with this hummus. It's delicious.